Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix page numbers on your Word document. Simply open the Word document. I'll open from the Google Chrome or my browser. Simply after opening the Word, simply open the document where you want to fix the page number. After opening your document, as you can see, here I have the page number. If you don't like it, if you want to change it, simply go on the option called Insert. As you can see at the top, after the home tab, you'll see the option called Insert tab. After going here, you'll see the option called Page Numbers. Simply click on Page Numbers, and clicking on Page Number, you can simply add where you like, or you can add to header or footer at the left or right or at the middle. This is at the middle, so I want to keep it this at the left side of the footer, so simply click it. Or you can also include page count like this, or if you don't want it, simply remove it and simply click on this, and your page number will available here. You can simply remove this and simply put here 1 and enter. After this, your page number will be updated, and to remove the page number, you need to simply go on Insert and go on Page Number again, and simply click on Remove Page Numbers. This will remove the page number. As you can see, it's removed the page number. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.